Hello! Today I thought I'd be talking about the black Sable folding knives that I ordered off from AliExpress. They came in two light blue boxes. Nothing written on them. We'll start off with the little folder. It says Black Sable. Designed by Ray Cutlery, handcrafted in the USA. And on the blade it says Cold Steel, 2017 knives, 7CR17 steel. Then on the back right here it says 217. It's dual thumb stud, liner lock, straight edge, assisted opening, it's got a lanyard hole, pocket clip, here's the bigger version. It's got Black Sable, designed by Ray Cutlery, handcrafted in the USA. Nothing on this blade. It's dual thumb stud, straight edge, liner lock, pocket clip, lanyard hole. I'd say probably aluminum scales on both of them. There's the centering on the big one. It's not too bad. And the centering of the little one is pretty good. But that's the Black Sable assisted opening knives I ordered from AliExpress. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments. If you like, subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you.